Done, sir.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start the next question.
Yeah.
In the next question, the question is x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 11.
Mhm.
So when you bring 11 on this side, you will have x square minus 4x. When you bring 11 on this side, it will become minus 12 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So if you factorize that, what you will get? Tell me.
Sir, you'll get, wait 1 second. Sir, x minus 4 and x plus 3.
X plus 3.
Yeah.
No, my dear. 4 and 3 is 7. You need 4 here. See.
Oh, sorry. I was just focusing on multiplication, not.
See, you can't just do as it is. See, I will say, there are steps to find the solution. What are the first? The first step is to multiply A and C. That means you have to do AC. Now you must be thinking, sir, what is AC? So AC is the general form of AX square plus BX plus C. So A is the coefficient of x square and C is the constant part. So if you see, look at this carefully, you will have 1 into minus 12. So the first step is 1 into minus 12. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
In the second step, you have to do the prime factorization of all these numbers. So when you do the prime factorization, you will have 2 into 2 into 3. Understood? This is the second step. Then there is a third step. What is the third step? Third step, in that third step, you have to look for two numbers, which after subtraction, see this. Why subtraction? Because if two numbers are being multiplied to get a negative number, it means that one of the numbers should be negative. And if you are
Yes,
adding
sir.
one of the negative number with the positive, it is going to be subtracted only. So that means you have to think of two numbers which on giving the subtraction will give you 4. So the number are 3 into 2, 6 and minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So you will split this into two parts. Then you will have plus 2 as a common, and again x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 6. Alright.
Yes, sir. Just let me mute down. Yes, sir. Done.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Can you try?
Okay, sir.
So what should I write? Tell me.
Okay, first, y is equals to 3x squared minus 5x, so y is minus 2. So 3x minus 5x is equals to minus 2.
So 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Okay, now what is the next step?
We have to multiply a and c.
Wonderful. So multiply a and c, what you will get?
So you will get 6.
6. Now are both the numbers positive or negative? Next step is to do the prime factorization. So you will do the prime factorization as 3 into 2. Now tell me, are both the numbers having the same sign?
Yes.
Because the result is positive. So either both of them will be positive or both of them will be negative. So so that means they will be added up. So tell me two numbers, when you add them you will get 5.
Sir, 2 and 3.
and from here only you have to choose. So 2 and 3, and one more thing, since it is -5, so you will write -3 and -2. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So you will write 3x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So when you take 3x as a common, you will get x minus 1 minus 2 x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 comma 2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Moving on to the next question. A cannonball is fired into the air. Its height is given by h is equal to 60t minus 5t square. Okay. So you know the formula for distance, Newton's 3 law of motion.
Newton's third law of motion.
No, not third. Sorry, Newton's 3 equation of motion.
Third equation of motion.
All the 3 equation of motion. Do you know that? No?
V is equal to u plus 80.
Wonderful. That is the first equation of motion. V is equal to u plus 80. What is the second equation?
2as is equals to v squared minus u squared.
That is the third equation. Second is s is equal to ut.
S is equal to ut plus half of 80 squared.
And then you will write v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are asking the height of the cannonball, and it is given by the formula this. So height means the second equation of motion. Can you see that?
Height.
And if you link with this, you will get u as 60. Just check it out.
U as 60.
Initial velocity is 60. See 60t.
Yeah.
Minus half 80 square. Now why it is minus? Because a cannonball is fired in air. If you are firing something in air, it is going against the gravity. Gravity is always working downwards at the rate of 10 meter per second square. Precisely, you can take it as 9.8 meter per second square, whatever is given. So this is the acceleration, or you can say retardation, when the cannonball is fired up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is minus 5t square. That means half a has been put up to minus 5. Okay, are you getting it? Can you link this equation with that one? Can you compare this equation with that one? So please understand that equation is not just an equation, it is a quadratic equation. What is that? It is a quadratic. The graph of that will be a parabola. Are you getting it? And the parabola, if you take, the parabola will be downwards, because it will have a maximum height, after which it will start falling down.
Yes, sir.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now they are asking you find the height of the cannonball when t is equal to 0. So put 2 is equal to 0. So height is 60t, 60 into 0 minus 5 into 0 square, which is going to be 0. A.
60.
A first part. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me when t is equal to 1, what will be the height?
60 minus 25.
How 25? 60 minus 5 only, my dear. 60
Sorry,
into 1.
yeah. Sorry.
The square is of 1, not 5.
Yeah, I realized.
So it is how much? 55 meter.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me when t is equal to 3, what will be the height?
If t is equals to 3, so it would be 60. 180 minus
45.
180 minus 45. 135.
Meter. Please always write the unit as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me when t is equal to 8?
Okay, sir, 1 second. T is 8, no? So
Yes.
60. For 80. Sir, 160 meters.
160 meter?
Ah.
Okay, wonderful. You understood all the questions?
Yes, sir.
It's a quadratic equation. They have introduced the physics in maths.
Oh no.
That's the beauty of maths. Okay, so I'm erasing all this.
Yes, sir.
Let's move on to the next question. So that means in the next question, if you see, they are asking the time of the flight. Means they are asking to solve this quadratic equation. Means they are asking us to find the value of t, zeros of the solution. So let us make the equation first. In making the equation, this negative part should be made positive. Please, this is the first prerequisite requirement to solve any quadratic equation. What is the prerequisite requirement? You have to make the coefficient of t square as positive. So all the part of the equation from the left hand side, you have to bring it to the right side. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So the equation is, they are asking for h is equal to 0. So when h is equal to 0, that means the equation will be 0 is equal to 60t minus 5t square. So you will write 5t square minus 60t is equal to 0. Did you get that? I brought everything
Yes,
on
sir.
this side. So I can take 5t common. In bracket I will write t minus 12 is equal to 0. So t will be equal to 0 or 12. T is either 0 or 12 seconds. So either it is at 0 second, the height is 0, or after one complete round, again it is after 12 seconds, it has become 0. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
This is while going up 0 second, and this is after coming down. Suppose this is a earth. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Now h is equal to 100. So what will be the equation now then? I am just erasing this. So you will write
So,
plus 100 is equal to 0.
yeah.
So all the numbers can be divided by 5. Can you see the 5 as a common factor? So you divide the whole equation by 5. So the equation will be reduced to t square minus 12t plus 20 is equal to 0. Now again, please remember, don't just take 5 or 4, 6 into 12. No, not like that. First, what you have to do? You are going to solve a into c. So 1
Yes.
into 20. How much? 20. So next step is to do the prime factorization. Prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 5. Now is the number positive or negative? Positive. So both the numbers has to be having the same sign. So what are the two numbers whose? Yeah, tell me.
So, sir, it'll be minus and minus.
Yeah, both will be minus only. So minus 10 and minus 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so you will break this down as t square minus 10, t minus 2t. So t is equal to 2 oblique 10 seconds. Okay, these are seconds.
Yes, sir.
For 160. Write this down and then we will erase and just find the 160.
Yes, sir.
is this from maths or physics only?
Sir, this is maths.
Maths.
Yeah, so they got in physics also.
Yeah, you can check this program in the science IXL in motion chapter.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Shall I erase these?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So I'll not erase, I will just change the value to 160. That's it.
Yeah.
So the equation now will become 160. That means 5t square
Minus 60.
minus 60t plus 160 is equal
Plus
to
160
0.
is equal to 0.
So 2e square minus 12t plus 32 is equal to 0. So 32, if you break it down, it is going to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 2s.
So,
You have to think of two numbers. You see this 8
8 and 4.
wonderful. So t square minus 8t minus 4t plus 32 is equal to 0. So t minus 8 and t minus 4 is equal to 0. That means t is equal to 8 comma 4.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Just right there.
Okay, please write down. And please let me know all the values because now we are going to draw the graph.
Okay, sir.
Today I bought a new camera.
Oh,
Soon,
wow.
yeah, soon I am going to start my experiment class.
Sir, after my class, whose class is it?
No one, you are the last.
Oh, wow.
Today you are the last. Today I was planning to do go online on one shot videos for grade 10, but we have planned to watch a movie, Hindi movie, Bollywood's 3-2.
Wow. Oh, Street 2. All of my friends are watching it.
Yeah, so today we have also planned to watch that movie. So we have a show at 10:40.
Wow. Everyone is saying that the movie is very nice.
Yes, it's a nice movie, and the star card is also my favorite. Pankaj Tripathi is there, and then we have one more. There are so many characters in the movie. One is Rajkumar Rao, my favorite character.
Wow. I don't watch movies. English movies also I don't watch.
So what was the last movie that you watched? Hollywood?
Bollywood last movie, wow, it's been years. I think it was Three Idiots.
Three Idiots. That's for Bollywood. I'm asking about Hollywood movie.
Oh, Hollywood. Okay. No, never mind. Bollywood was Manjulika.
Okay. So which movie you
Okay,
like?
that was for Bollywood. Hollywood movie, last time I watched, it was Big Hero 6. Our school made us watch it.
Okay. I watched, I think, the Marvel movie of Spider-Man Homecoming, something like that.
Oh, yeah, it's a good movie.
I'm a big fan of Marvel movies.
Wow, I
So,
did not know that.
but I watch in Hindi because I love the dubbing job of all the dubbing artists. Because
Yeah,
as a
they do a
voice,
very good job.
yeah, really. It's a mind-blowing
I,
job, and it's really fabulous. As a mimicry artist, I can relate them with myself. It's a very good job. Matching the lip sync with the voice and with the artistic character of that person, it's a tough job.
very tough job, sir. Sir, there's this one movie. It's called Into the Spider-Verse. It's an animated movie. but
Okay.
it's from Spider-Man only. It's very good, and the Hindi dub is also really nice for that
Okay.
movie. I've heard. There's also an Indian Spider-Man in that. It's basically all the universes Spider-Man, so from different universes. One of them is an Indian Spider-Man. His name is Pavrati
I think I
Patel.
saw that movie. I think I have saw I've seen that movie.
Wait, sir, I will send you a photo of who I am talking about because he's my favorite character. And in
Yes.
that movie, when they go to Pavitra Prabhakar,
Okay.
that's the name of Indian Spider-Man. In the movie, there's very like Indian references. Like there's Zomato billboard in the background. It's very funny.
Who is your favorite superhero?
This Spider-Man only.
Spider-Man only. For
Yeah.
me, it's Bruce Wayne. You know who is Bruce Wayne?
Who said?
Bruce Wayne is a real name
Oh
for
yes, Batman.
Batman. Batman. Batman.
Yeah, I don't watch many movies, superhero movies especially, but I do know a bit.
When I
So
was like a kid like you, I was just fell in love with the Batman. I thought that when I will grow old, not grow old means I will grow young. That at that time I will have so much of money and I will just buy each and everything, that car, that room. I was so fascinated with all the things. You know, Batman was the only superhero who does not have any superpowers. He applies
yeah, he
brain
had
and logic.
money.
He applies just brain and logic. He the only thing that he got from their family, his family, was money. He has a lot of money to
Exactly.
invest.
So he's rich and he has brain.
Yes. Okay. So let's do one question.
Yes, sir.
Graph. For this, I'll change the background.
In our school for exams, graphing will not be big of an issue because we're given calculators, graphing calculators. So
Okay.
that is like okay, okay.
But you must know how to put the
Yes.
values in the graph, how to draw the graph as well. So let me show you just one graph. Okay. So can you see this is a graph? Is the
Yes,
value
sir.
visible to you properly?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see this. Graph h is equal to 60t minus 5t square using the, first of all, please try to understand the first thing that should come to your mind, that the slope of the graph is negative.
Yes, sir.
Not slope, we can say the coefficient of t square is negative. So this graph will be concave down. This will be like this.
Yeah.
At least this should come into your mind. All right.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me all the values of t versus? So here I will mark as t, time, and here I will mark as s, that is distance. T versus s. No, we cannot write s. We will write h because in the question it is given as h.
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you tell
Okay,
me
sir.
the
So
first value?
first value is I'm doing in order of how I wrote it down. So the first value is when h is 100, t is equals to 2 or 10. S is equals to 2 or 10. 2 comma
Okay.
10.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. So 2 comma 10. So here is
Yes.
2. Here is 10. So this is the first point.
Okay.
And then what was the
Now,
second point?
for
No, 2 comma 10. There was one more point, I think.
there's
You
one
told
more.
me 2 points for the first.
160 for 160.
No, no, no. For the single part, for the first part only, I am asking. When
Oh,
t was 0, when t was 0, h was 0. Okay. So first point is 0 comma 0.
yeah.
Okay.
And then
When
it's 2
t
comma
was
10.
1, what was the value of h? Can you tell me?
Oh, all of them.
All
Okay,
the points.
wait.
See, can you read the question properly? The question is saying graph h is equal to 60 using the information from a and b only. So these are the values that you will use.
Oh, okay, we were supposed to remember all. Okay. So wait, great graph when
So when t was 1, what was h? 60 minus, you can say 5t, 55 I think.
Yeah, 55. And then
55.
the next one was 135, I think.
55 might be something here, and then
There was one which was 135, I know that.
135. Okay, 135 was it when it was 2 or 8, something like that.
I think it was when it was 8.
It was 3, I think.
Huh.
Okay, it was 3. And
And
then
then we have t is equals to minus 8 minus 4. Wait. So, what, 3? And then, what was the last one?
so for 8, the value was 145, I think.
135.
135.
135.
For 8.
For 180.
Okay. So the
I mean,
graph may come like this. The graph may come like this. Okay. What was the highest value? Can you find the H max? The highest value. Suppose you need to find the highest value for a graph. So how you will do that? The highest value can be found. See, what was the time of flight?
Sir, wait, sir. What? Yeah, never mind. Sorry, sir. I thought we took a value down wrong. No, we did not.
Okay. What was the highest value? Can you tell me? The highest value, how you can get the highest value?
Sir, you can get highest value
For H.
by, wait, 4? H.
No, I am asking for H.
H. Huh. You can get highest value when you multiply it with 3. Because it's 135.
How you can say that when you multiply it by 3, you will get the highest value?
When t is equals to 3.
Means on what logic you are saying? You are saying this on the basis of these informations, right?
Yeah.
But it might be possible that between 3 and 8, there might be some value which must be greater than 3 and less than 8. Sorry, greater than both 3 and 8. Can it be possible? Yeah. It may be possible. So please remember this, Akriti. I am going to tell you a very important thing. So when you throw something in air and it goes down, it comes back. So the time of flight is same. So how much time it has taken to go up, the same time it will take to come down. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So suppose it takes t seconds to go up, so the same t seconds will be taken to come down, because the acceleration is uniform throughout the motion. All right?
All right, sir.
So now how much time in the first question itself we got, how much time it took to do one complete motion to come back at the same position? 12 seconds.
Yes, sir.
12 seconds. So the maximum height you will get when t will be equal to 6 seconds. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Let us check as well. So h is equal to 60 into 6 minus 5 into 6 square. So this is going to be 360 minus 5 into 6 square is how much?
5 into 6 square. 6 square is 36. 36 into 5.
5 into 6, 30. 5 is 15, 3, 80.
180.
180. So please remember, 180 is the highest height. Okay?
Okay.
180 is the highest height. So how you will make the graph? So let me help you out in this. So I cannot make the graph here, so I will just change it to some other graphing calculator. Let me show you.
Decimal?
I will show you there only. So I am taking one unit as, so 180 was the highest height, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am taking 1 unit as 10 meter. I'm cropping this so that you can just understand. Okay, now can you see these values?
Yeah.
The first value was, when it was 6 seconds, the highest height it got as 180. So 6 comma 180 is the highest. At 0 it was 0. At 12 it was 0. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
At 2, when t was equal to 2, can you tell me the values when t was equal to 2? Do you have any value for that?
No, sir, that wasn't in the question.
Do you have any value for 3?
No, wait.
When time was 3.
When time was 3, I think so. Let me check. No, sorry, I do not have.
Okay, let me find out.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
So when time was 1, what was the height? 135, 125, 145 or 125?
135, 35.
And when time was 3, what was the height? H is equal to 0, h is equal to 100. Okay, tell me what was the time
Yes,
when
sir.
h was 100?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, what was the time when h was 100? Can you tell me the two times?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat?
I was asking you when h was 100, what was the two time that you have written down?
2 times. And H was
Time in
100.
your notebook. We have done this question.
Yeah, we did it. Wait, let me find. Sure. Wait, I lost it, sir. Wait. I'll do it again.
You haven't wrote anything?
Sir, I'm actually taking all my notes digitally because my notebooks are all upstairs and there's renovation going on.
Okay,
That's why.
okay, it's okay. So we'll find it out again.
Yeah.
Okay. So let
That's why
us.
you can hear this sound if you can hear it.
Okay, so when t was 1, h was equal to 60 into 1 minus 5
Yes.
into 1 square. That is 55. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So 1 comma 55. So 55 will come between 5 and 6. So it will be 1 will be here. So this is 55. 1 comma 55.
Oh, so we're taking this as a bigger, that it's like in 20, 40, 50,
Yeah,
60,
10,
80.
20. Yeah, that's
Okay,
fine.
okay.
180 is
Yeah.
the highest. 18 I am taking as a 180.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check. The sound is coming on the YouTube. Somebody is saying आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Oh.
Hello.
We're taking this as a bigger, that it's 20, 40, 50.
Yeah, 10, 20.
आवाज तो आ रही है.
It's okay. Okay, so the next number is when you take t is equal to 3, 60 into 3 was 180 minus 50 minus 180 minus
45, I think. So it would be 135. I think this one was 135.
45, 135, yes. Okay, so 135 means 13.5. So 13.5. So 3 is here and 13 might be something here and this is 135. So the graph will go like this. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
then this is the highest value and then you can make the symmetry like this. So this is your graph.
Okay, sir.
You understood how we made it?
Yeah.
Are you taking the snapshot of this?
Yep. Okay, done. Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So the first 9 and 10 is done. Now we will move on to the question number 11. A stone is thrown in the air. Its height above the ground is given by the function h is equal to minus 5t square h is equal to minus 5t square plus 30t plus 2, where t is the time in seconds from when the stone is released. How high above the ground was the stone released? Okay. So first we have to find the time of flight. Okay.
Yeah.
So how to find the time of flight? First let us take it 0. Let's take h as 0. Okay. So when I take this as 0, minus 5t square plus 30t plus 2 is equal to 0. I am taking everything on the left hand side. So you will have 5t square minus 30t minus 2 is equal to 0. So now what is the first step that we have to do? 5 and minus
So
2.
multiply 5 and 2, which is 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 2, so it's minus 10.
Okay. So I think it's difficult to 5 into 2 is 10. And you have to think of two numbers whose addition is 30 and multiplication is 10.
Oh, not possible. Wait, so use discriminant to find if it's even possible or not.
Yes, so let's use a quadratic formula. So it is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus 5 plus minus under root b square is 900 plus 5 into 4, 20 into 2, 40 divided by 2 into a. A is how much? So it is minus 30,
It's
sorry,
5.
plus 30. So 940, I think it does not have any root. 2 into 94, no, you can't have any root with that. So the time is coming as negative value. Now let me check.
Which is not possible.
How high above the ground was the stone released? Its height above the ground is given by the function this, where t is the time in seconds from where the stone is, from when the stone is released. How high above the ground was the stone released? How high above the ground is the stone at time t is equal to 3 seconds? Let us find for t is equal to 3 seconds then. Let's not solve this, let's solve this B question, okay, first.
Okay.
Okay, ground was the... How high above the ground was the stone released? What is this question? Was when the stone was released, right?
I think so. Sir,
Yeah.
I'll ask my teacher tomorrow.
No. They are asking. It might think that they are asking you, how high above the ground was the stone when it was released?
How high was the ground? No,
Okay.
sir. It's just asking like what is the height of the stone before release.
Yeah. So that's what I'm telling. So when you put t is equal to
Oh, okay.
0, when you put t is equal to 0, the height of the stone was 2 meters.
Oh, okay.
Because this is the first question. That means it should not be hard. First of all.
Yeah.
So the answer is you just put t is equal to 0 and the height is 2 meters. You can ask your teacher as well.
Yeah, I'll ask.
Coming back to the second question. How high above the ground is the stone at time t is equal to 3 seconds? So you will write minus 5 into 3 square plus 30 into 3 plus 2. So minus 45 plus 90 plus 2. So 90 minus 45 is 45, so it is going to be 47 meter. So the first was 0, 2. I am writing the point. The second point is 3, 47. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
At what times was the stone height above the ground? 27 meter. So when I put 27 here, the equation will become 5x square minus 30t minus 2 plus 27 is equal to 0. Are you getting this? How I got this equation? No. Okay. Shall I erase
I
this?
got 47.
First, you understood how I got this 47?
Yeah, first you replace t with 3 and then you just solve.
Okay. Now I am solving the third question. Third question means at what times was the stone's height above the ground? 27 meter. So let's write the equation properly. 27 is equal to minus 5t square plus 30t plus 2. So you will write 5t square minus 30t. 2 will come this side. So you will have plus 25 is equal to 0. So t square minus 60 plus 25 means it will become 5 is equal to 0. So the two numbers are minus 5 and minus 1. See this? Minus 5 minus 1 is going to be minus 6. So this will be break down into t minus 1 into t minus 5. So you have two times.
5.
One is 1 comma 27 and then you have 2 comma 27. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Draw the graph of h against t using a, b and c only. So using a, b and c. So that means they are strictly telling you not to draw anything else from that.
Yeah.
The first point was 0, 2. So I am starting from 0, 2. Then you have 1, 2 as well. Huh? No, 1, 27 was there.
That's what I was thinking. Where did 2 come from?
Huh. So 1, 27. I need to show some more values. Now it is fine. So 0, 2, 1, 27. Okay. So 0, 2, then 1, 27. This is 27. And then you have again 5, 27. So where is 5, 27? So we have 5 here and 27 here. So the graph just came back from between these 2 points. Are you getting it?
Okay, so it's like a straight line, basically. Or like,
No, it will be curved graph.
how a straight line?
It will not be a straight line. Then you have 2, 27, 1, 27. So it is 1, 27, 2, 27. Huh? 1, 27, 2, 20. How it is 2, 27? It is actually it is 5, 27. Okay. 2 was the initial point when it was released. Then 42 also. We need to find this. We have to solve this as well. So 42 is equal to minus 5t square plus 30t plus 2. So you will write 5t square minus 30t plus 40 is equal to 0. That means t square minus 60 plus 8 it is equal to 0. So the numbers are 4 and 2 now. Can you see this? 4 into 2 8, 4 and plus 2 is 6.
Okay, that's one question. Yeah.
So you will write t minus 4 and t minus 2 is equal to 0. So that means you have two values, 2 comma 42 and 4 comma 42. So 2 comma 42, let me draw it. 2 comma 42, 42 is way big higher value, 4 comma 42. So somewhere here the graph is going like this. The graph will be like this. Are you getting it?
Yeah, reverse parabola. I mean, maximum point.
So on the graph paper you can easily draw, and if you want I can make the graph as well. Let me show you the value of graph. So it was minus 5t square minus 5x square. Then how much was there? How much x? Plus 30x.
Plus what, sir?
Plus 30x plus 2. Can you see the graph?
Yeah.
This is the actual graph. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
𝘎𝘙𝘈 makes the wooden display cabinets. He finds that the profit in euros was for making X cabinets per day was given by P is equal to 320x minus 20x square minus 320 euro. Calculate 𝘎𝑗ohn's profit if he makes 0. So 0 means if he does not make anything.
Yeah.
Calculate 𝘎𝑗ohn's profit if he makes 0 cabinet. That means 320 into 0.
Oh, sir, this was given in one of our practice papers, I think.
So the answer is minus 320 loss. This is a loss when he is making 0 cabinet.
Yeah.
For 4, profit is going to be 320 into 4 minus 20 into 4 square minus 320. So 320 into 4 is how much? 4 into 3 is 12 minus 20 into 16, 320 minus 320. So 1280 minus 640. So the answer is 640 euros. Okay?
Okay, sir.
10 cabinets per day. 10 cabinets per day. So I will put the value of 10 now. So when you put 10, 320 into 10 minus 20 into 10 square minus 320. It is going to be 3200 minus 2000 minus 320. So 3200 minus 2000 is going to be 1200 minus 320. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 120 minus 32. So 20 minus 120, okay. 10 minus 2 is 8, 11 minus 3 is going to be 8. So 880 euros. Okay? How many cabinets per day must 𝘎𝑗ohn make to receive 460 profit? What is the profit? 460. So that means now we have to do the fact. Shall I erase this?
Yeah.
So 460 is equal to 320x minus 20x square minus 320. Take everything on this side. So you will have 20x square minus 320x. So minus 320 will come up here, it will become 780. It will join with 460 to become 780, right? Let's divide the whole equation by 20. So you will have x square minus 16x plus 39 is equal to 0. So the two numbers whose multiplication is 39 and addition is 16 are 13 and 3. 13 into 3 is 39. 13 plus 3 is 16. So you will have x minus 3 or x minus 13. So either he will make 3 cabinets per day or he will make 13 cabinets per day. In both the cases he will get the same amount of profit, that is 460 euros.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Shall we move on to the next question?
Okay, sir.
Done?
Yeah.
These questions are from the quadratic equation only.
Yeah, it was
I think all the questions are done.
Oh. Oh wow.
Yes.
I did not think we would be able to finish all of those.
No, I think we have finished all the questions.
Yes, sir, we have.
Right?
Yes, sir, and there's still 1 minute of class left.
Okay. So it was a wonderful day. So I'm going to end this class now because I have to go for movie as well.
Yes, sir. Have a good time at the movies, sir.
Thank you, my dear. Tomorrow we are going to meet at the same time, 8 p.m. right?
Yes, sir.
Please do send me the questions in earlier so that I can type it. I will just make a notes for you. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Chalo, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, beta. यशराज पवार जी बताइए क्या पूछना है आपको? कुछ पूछना है आपको? किसी को कोई डाउट है बच्चों बता दो. डाउट नहीं है तो फिर लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो दोस्तों. नहीं ये भी नहीं करना चाहते हो? किसी भी बच्चे को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकता है. कोई डाउट नहीं है किसी को? कोई ऑनलाइन नहीं है तो चला जाए दोस्तों, क्लास को ख़त्म करते हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. लाइक सब्सक्राइब